Yo, it's D-Dog the GOAT, little boodskap for the Ooskap. Welcome back to another episode of me touching on all the latest albums and mixtapes, EPs that's going to be dropping hopefully this month. Hopefully we're going to be expecting all of these lovely projects this coming up month. Let's just pray and hope. But first, I'm not sure if you guys remember the previous video that I made not so long ago. I stated that Garo G is going to be making a joint EP with San. And on a recent text message that John Dre and San was speaking, San literally confirmed that Garo G and him are definitely working on an EP. So this EP is literally confirmed by San himself, that him and the Garo EP are confirmed. And with that being said, in that same text that San and John Dre were going back and forth about, John Dre and San were also speaking about working on a joint album together, John Dre and San together. And surprisingly, Garo G is going to be on that EP as well. He's going to be on a freestyle track with John Dre and San. It's going to be on the John Dre and San EP that's coming soon. Unfortunately, we don't have album cover arts for those projects, but we know they are officially confirmed. And on to our next artist, we got no one than Brian Igmo, who's going to be dropping his first debut EP. His first of many EPs that's going to be dropping this year. And we finally got the official album cover art of 666. And here you go. It's all for you to see. It's all for you to see. On to our next artist. Like I said in the beginning, I'm coming with a boodskap for the Ooskap. And this is definitely a boodskap for the Ooskap. Because Lux with the boodskap man himself is going to be dropping an EP called Geen Slaap Nie. And here's the album cover art. We finally got the album cover art and the track list from him. So you guys can keep posted for that one, because you know that one is going to be a boodskap for the Ooskap, like Luxford always says.
Ik het nou net opgestaan van die kaas. Ik het nou net opgestaan, ik blijf baas. Martens breng hij fucking drinken uit en maak geraas. Met die lean in die handy in mijn glaas. Zo in die beat, dan ze weet ik blijf baas. We werken nog aan nummers, zie mijn ouwens zijn op blaad. Ze wie ouwens er komt dus, ze moet waar gaan niet sla. Ze moet waar gaan niet sla.
And on to the next artist, I just want to say my biggest condolences to every single body that was family and each and every individual that was friends and was close with Starboy Freaks. I know losing someone close to is not easy, but what we can do for them while we still living right now is live on for them, live in the name of them, live out their goals for them. Like Jody, man, if you're watching this, bro, live out that dream that Starboy wanted to live out, of being that top rapper, being on top where he wanted to be. Make his dreams come true, bro. Because I know you share the same vision. So go through with that vision, bro. But with that being said, Starboy Freaks and Jody Man are going to be dropping an EP on Starboy Freaks' birthday to dedicate his legacy. And to me, what's a better way than living your legacy out by listening to your music? So keep posted for that one. I know you guys are not going to want to miss that one. And something I forgot to add on to the topic for new releases that's going to be coming out soon. I'm not sure if you guys have seen that John Dre has dropped 2 tracks so far for his upcoming EP. I'm not sure exactly what the title is going to be to this EP, but here is the track titles. But here is the track covers. I know this EP is going to be this picture and stuff, but it's definitely not going to be this name. I'm not sure what the name is. But here is the covers, just so you can get a little idea of how the album is going to look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one. And if your favorite artist is dropping a album or mixtape or EP this year, let me know in the comments. And if your favorite artist was mentioned in this video, then you know you gotta subscribe and like the video and turn those notifications on. But yeah, that was a boodskap for the Ooskap with D-Dog. Bruh!